Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here. Before I starting my speech today, I would like to introduce myself first. Hi, my name is Ruwaida Faria, and you can call me Ruru. I'm in my early 20s, and I'm the middle child between my two sisters. Currently, I'm studying English literature in STBIGIA, and I'm working as an admin at Japanese internship center where I handle all the documents and assist the candidates before they go to Japan. As for hobbies, I love listening to music. I listen to music almost all the time. More specifically, I listen to Japanese music. Lastly, I'm gonna share a big fun fact about me. I love eating ice cubes. I love them a lot, like a lot. I see them as a snack. When I eat them, sometimes they relieve my stress. And what's funny is I can eat ice cubes just fine, but I can stand cold drinks. Anyway, that's all for my introduction. Nice to meet you, everyone. Without further ado, let me start my speech today. So, I want to talk about the most important issues our world facing now. It's global warming. Many people think global warming is far away, it's for the future generation. But no, global warming is already happening today, in this era, right now. And nature start to giving us clear warning from the rising temperatures to melting ice, from wildfires to mosquitoes appearing in places that too cold for them. It's strange, right? Yeah. My dear audience, you know that global warming means Earth is getting hotter, right? This happens because humans burn fuel like coal, oil, gas, and when we do that, we release gases such carbon dioxide and methane into the air. These gases traps the sun heats around the earth like a big blanket, and that's why the earth is getting hotter. That's why the world is getting warmer every year. According to NASA, the Earth is already more than 1 degree Celsius hotter than it was before the industrial era. It may sound small, but it causes change. One of the clearest signs of global warming came from a very cold country, Iceland. On October 2025, scientists found mosquitoes living in Iceland for the first time in history. This was reported by The Guardian and The Washington Post. Normally, Iceland is too cold for mosquitoes to survive, but the freezing winters used to kill them. But now, because the weather is getting warmer and warmer, some mosquitoes can live there. An Icelandic scientist named Matthias Alfredsson from the Natural Science Institute of Iceland said warming temperatures are likely to make it easier for mosquito species to live in Iceland. This is a strong sign that our planet's climate is changing. If, if insects like mosquito can now survive in cold places, it means the world is becoming warmer, even near Arctic. It's dangerous. It's it's strange, right? Some people might say it's just a few mosquitoes. What's the big deal? It's big. Actually, it shows how the fast nature is changing. When the earth warms, everything changes. Ice melt, the sea level rise, and the weather will become more extreme. Floods, storms, animals loses their homes, and diseases that come from insects may spread to a new places. And that's not a good news. That's not a good thing to hear. In Indonesia, we already feel it too. The seasons are no longer predictable, right? Forest fires, floods, farmers having trouble planting because of the strange weather. So, everyone, my dear audience, global warming is not just a temperature, it's about our life. We can save electricity, walk instead of driving everywhere. plant more trees, avoid plastic waste, and recycle what we can. Small steps can create a big change if billions of people do it together. I believe there is still time to fix it. Because when mosquitoes can live in Iceland, a country that used to call for them, that's not just strange. This is warming from nature. It's natural way of telling us something is changing. Please help before it's too late. So let's listen to that message. Let's protect our planet while we still can, because there is only one Earth, and now it's our chance to protect it. Thank you.